how you can, so this is how you can set up Softbank APN settings. So simply tap on the name in the edit access point name. Now here enter Softbank APN, tap on OK. Now in the APN field you have to enter this, which is plus dot 4G. Tap OK, save this thing. Now in the username thing, there is a username available for this. Tap on plus. Now the password is 4G. Tap OK. Now in the MCC option, which is mobile country code, keep switch it to 440. Now in the MNC option, you have to set it to 20. Now there is one more thing left, which is MMS port, basically, which is this multimedia port, and simply tap 8080, tap on OK, scroll down to the bottom, and here is the APN type, which is the most crucial thing. And for the people who want to know this value, link is given in the description of apnmostly.com. Go there, find APN type, copy exact APN, because there are some unique configuration in that, and also this is how we monetize, guys. So simply copy the that particular value, paste it right here, tap OK, and then tap on these three vertical dots, tap on save. So this is how you can configure the APN settings for Softbank.